Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tatiana. If you are new, welcome. It is Sunday, December 10th, and today I wanted to just honestly kind of keep it simple. I don't know how simple this is gonna be, but I have always wanted to do my own lashes. I've had them done one time, but they were kind of bothering me because I felt like in the corner area it was a little heavy. But I've always wanted to do them myself. I'm not a big makeup girl. I only put on makeup when I absolutely have to. But for the most part, I'm a lash, brow, lip gloss, hoops kind of girl. So I'm about to go to the beauty supply store to go look at all of the different lashes that they have, get everything I need. I've been watching some TikTok videos as well as some YouTube videos, and I'm gonna make sure that I do this really safe. Let's go to the beauty supply store, go run these errands right quick, and back to the house. We here. She just showed me some press-ons over there. Well, like, you don't have to use any lash glue, but I'm not sure if it'll stay on my lash, and they all come one length, and I don't want it to just be one length. I like a wispy natural look, so I'm gonna have to play around with this. Okay, I might go with these press and go individual strips, but I don't know how long they're gonna last. I'm just gonna get some, and it comes with extra glue too, so I think that'd be good for a beginner like me. Get some over here so it can be like really wispy and natural looking.
Read it?
Yes.
Take it out and match the red button.
Okay.
What?
Get out. There ain't nothing in here for y'all. Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay, we are back. It is time to put on some lashes. Make sure your hands are clean because you about to be digging in your eyes. First up, I'm going to be using V-Lux by I Envy. They're real mink lashes. I'm going to do the strip method. I feel like that's the best way as far as beginner friendly instead of just going right in like little clusters. I did get some little clusters just to go in between to just make it nice and full. But this should not take me no time. I got my mini scissors, my lash applicator. It comes with a comb, some tweezers, which I feel like I done bought 50,000 tweezers, and some lash glue. I'm gonna be using these to fill in my lashes. These are medium size. I didn't want to do too long, and I didn't want to be too short. Let's get to it. I am excited. I really hope it comes out good. That way all I gotta do is just, you know, touch up the brows, put on my lip gloss, my hoops, and I'm good to go. So this is a lash comb. This is too cute. Hello. There we go. Perfect lighting. Just kind of cut out those corners, cut out that extra weft. I'm just gonna cut 3 parts. Boom, boom. I'll show the whole thing. That's one piece. There we go. Okay, try to show y'all. You cut it into 3 sections. The moment of truth. Let's do this. Let me put this behind my ear too. All right, here we go, y'all. Here we go. I look crazy. Okay. I'm trying to let it sit. Oh, freak. This did not do it as well. There we go. I was holding it wrong. Come on. Yo, this glue is trash. Oh. Oh, goodness. Oh, shoot. Oh, crap. Oh, my vision a little weird. Hold on, y'all, my vision. Look a little blurry in this eye. Okay, we're gonna give this a go one more time. I really want these lashes on my eyeballs tonight. I know what glue I'm gonna use. So if you are doing this at home, please just go get the clear, like the white eyelash glue, not the black, because the black is garbage. Gosh, I want a freaking water. This is aggravating. Here we go, y'all. I like for my eyes to go, because the way my eye is made, I would like it to start smaller and then, you know, work its way up. All right, here we go. Y'all, I did it. Okay. Yeah, that other glue, that special glue, does the job every time. I'm so proud. Whew. These look so much more natural than being on the top of your eye. Let's do the other eye, and then I'm gonna go in and fill it in a little bit, just in little areas where I want it to be a little bit more dramatic. Here we go with this eye, y'all. And I'm counting to 10 as I apply these. Like pulling it down. Baby, finna be doing her own lashes. Here we go. Whew. Okay, we're almost done. That's a nice eye, just like that, without the last piece. I'm just gonna cut to make it shorter and then work its way up. Yeah. All right, here we go with the inner. If I can just get to it. Oh, this feels like a challenge. felt weird next to my nose. I felt like I didn't have no room to move around. Cute, cute. Oh, I so prefer this over makeup. Do this, keep up with my brows, hoops, and lip gloss. Okay, I am proud of myself. She got the lashes on. My first time ever in my life doing like clusters, basically, lash extensions. That was pretty cool. And I don't really feel it on my eye. That was my biggest fear, is feeling like it was gonna be kind of irritating. But if you place it correctly, you should be good. You shouldn't have like no weird discomfort. All right, we got 14 minutes left. It should not take me 14 minutes to put some pieces in a few areas. I like this so much, and my hair looks so natural and curly. If you're wondering where I got my hair from, check out my V part no leave out video. Where are we going? I think just to kind of fill a slight gap. I like the way that eye looks. I like that natural situation. I feel like they look pretty good. I don't think I really need to use the clusters. I bought them, may as well use them. This is fine. I'm gonna do my brows next. Try to see if I can do my own brow tinting. Baby, it's on after that. Come on. Bro. I just want to fill in this part. That's all I'm trying to do. That's it. That's all I'm trying to do. There we go. What in the world is it with this side that is just so much easier? This is cute. I am hooked. Baby finna be having her lashes done. No makeup. I like just letting my skin be. I've been wanting my lashes done for so long. When everybody work be looking so dramatic. I was like, I don't know how this gonna look on my eye. I wanna have a little fun, but I wanna look natural too. These look so cute. They look so good. I'm proud. I have a fan, a little handheld fan. This would be the perfect time to use it. I'm trying to think of where the heck I put it at. Right, gonna gonna use the end of that lash applicator and just comb it out. And we are all done. This looks so good. Yes, this right here, this is me. Just bare face, little lip gloss, hoops, lashes, a nice little brow. I'm gonna clean these babies up and do something with these too, but for the most part, this is how I like to rock. I love it. All right, babes, here is the finishing look. My lashes are flawless. You can do them too. Please don't get that black aloe adhesive strip lash glue. It's trash, okay? Please don't get it. All right, we are all done. I'm looking good. Lashes just enhance everything. Like, you don't gotta do too much once your lashes done. These look so good. I'm so proud of myself. Y'all saw I was going through it. I did not give up. Don't give up. It's gonna be a little annoying at first, but you're gonna get it, okay? Alright, I'm going to do some close-ups to show you the side-by-sides. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified of all of my new videos, and I will see you in my next video.